Hey guys, so I'm sitting on my Nissan Micra 2014 model and I turn on the AC because it's really hot outside. So I noticed that there's literally no air coming out. So the reason for that is actually the cabin filter, which is this one right here, AC air filter you might call it. It's very dirty, the old one. So I bought this new one, which is model 1562 for me. And yeah, let me show you how to swap it. So what you do is you go to the passenger side, and underneath the glove compartment you'll see this white thing. You can just pull it from down. It's gonna come out, and you can squeeze and take out the old air filter, just like this. Oh shit, it's dirty. Yeah, and you can see the 1562 model over there. Alright, so you're gonna take the new one, you're gonna squeeze it like this, and you're gonna shove the bottom one in and then push the whole thing out. Sorry, inside I mean. Let me show you how to do it. So I squeeze the bottom one in, push the upside, and push the whole thing in. And yep, that's it. Easy. So now I just gotta close this. I guess it's loose. Alright. Okay, that's it.